So everyone, from your board all the way down to your managers and analysts, have seen all the stories about what AI is going to do for you. They've read the headlines. AI is going to double your productivity. AI is going to grow your profit. AI is going to magically grow your hair back. AI is going to do everything. And what happens under that circumstance is people start acting. And I think about 3 different cases in that scenario. The IT organization immediately goes out and starts a very IT thorough review of all AI technology. And I'm confident sometime in the next century I'll see those results of that review. It's really tough sometimes to get them to go. And the marketing organization does what the marketing organization does. They go out and hire some expert from some AI consulting firm that I never heard of before last week. And suddenly that person's going to help them drive their strategy. And finally, the sales organization does what the sales organization does. They just start doing shit. They start trying to figure out, this is what we're going to do this, we're going to try this. And what happens is exactly what you would expect, a mess. You've got your AI, you've got your data being shared across half a dozen AI startups. You've got no traction, and you've got no ability to drive results on that. What Mike and I are going to talk about today is a very tangible solution that we can help you guys bring to life. It takes a very specific use case and helps you live up to that promise of being a true data-driven organization. It starts with the concept of being a virtual junior analyst, and it works its way up to being an army of analysts, managers, and directors helping you drive your business to success.
In my daily activities with customers in the Agentic AI consulting practice at AnswerRocket, I get to see the results of that chaos, right? And I see lots of stalled projects. Everybody's in POC, nobody's rolling out. And so I get a chance to look under the hood and see in their architecture diagrams and their flows and their uses of the technology, I get to see where it is that they're stumbling, right? So these are some of the key areas that I see in many customers. Then there's always the specific ones. Things like hallucination, we're all familiar with that one, but then there's also really complicated issues like, how do I connect all my structured data safely into a language model? How do I evaluate whether this new model that just came out yesterday is as amazing as it's supposed to be? And how do I migrate to that when it's time to do so? Even the challenge of understanding where is the money is a big issue, right? This comes back to the ROI. What are the use cases that are going to be worth the money that I have to invest to get there? That's a big challenge for enterprises to understand when really all they've been able to do so far is just kind of get some demos going. So what's really happened? How do we get here? How do we get to this point?